Betts Company mission is something we live every day, and it's all about improving the way things move.
Improving the way things move.
We improve the way things move?
We want to make today a little bit better than yesterday and tomorrow a little bit better than today.
So within Betts Company, we have 3 operating divisions. We have Betts Spring Manufacturing, Betts HD, and Betts Truck Parts and Service. We make springs, we make parts for trucks, we help our customers solve their problems by engineering solutions or finding products that can meet their needs.
Betts Company is primarily a manufacturer first. That's where our roots are from.
Betts actually started more than 150 years ago. William I was making springs in England. He wanted to pursue the American dream, so he picked up, hopped on a boat, sailed to the United States, and he started Betts Company in St. Louis, Missouri. Around that time, a lot of westward movement was taking place, and William thought, I need to be on the West Coast. So he picked up again, landed in the port of San Francisco, and we started Betts Company back then, 1868, on Market Street.
From that legacy, we built our company into multi-operation, offering products for primarily things that move.
We make the bumpers at Disneyland, we make playground equipment springs, all different types of springs for agricultural equipment, heavy-duty truck industry, vibratory equipment industry. We do military application.
Out of Betts Spring Company came Betts HD. William III, my grandfather, patented the very first mud flap hanger in 1954. And today, Betts HD makes mud flap hangers, quarter fenders, and what we'll call spray suppression for Class 8 trucks on our nation's highways. Also out of Betts Spring Manufacturing came Betts Truck Parts and Service, where we have 8 locations, and we distribute truck parts, and we also work on trucks.
I think core values are the backbone of the company. We all have a common purpose, we have a common vision, and we can accomplish that vision when we're all on the same page.
Our core values are respect everyone, aim for excellence, share your passion, work smart, take care, act ethically, and communicate.
Our core values are a very integral part of our company, and we look for those core values in all of our new hires.
We're all very proud of who we are and what we mean to the industry. I couldn't say thank you enough to all the Betts team members for all you do and to be part of this amazing team. Thank you.
We're a company that's been around for 150 years. We always love to talk about where we've been and what's happened in those 150 years. At the same time, we like to think about where we're going.
I think it's important that we continue to be innovative. We got to always be looking at new products and looking at ways to continue to improve the way our customers go about doing their business.
When we started out, we would just leave springs, and now you look at the products that we carry, it's just unbelievable. You know, on the manufacturing side, we're seeing a lot of new equipment coming in that will help us be more competitive and help us to gain more business and market share.
I really see us evolving and embracing technology and the advancements of our industry.
What we really want to do is work with our customers, ask them questions, and figure out how we can continue to help them improve the way things move. And as we're on that journey, ask ourselves the same question: what can we do to improve the way we move? If we do it right, more often than not, we're going to find new opportunities, look to pursue them, and have them keep us relevant in the years to come.
We're fast, we're friendly, and we're flexible. And we know how to do business with people. We know what the right thing is. And so when you come to us, you can count that Betts will follow through on their commitments to you as a customer.